Cryptocurrency has taken over the world with a clean sweep and has prompted several new technologies to ensure the sustainability of the virtual economy. Some of the most common examples include the highly successful blockchain technology and the rising star NFTs. If you have just recently heard about NFTs, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will share everything you need to know about how to invest in NFT as a beginner. But before heading further, I would like to mention that I am not a financial advisor or crypto guru. I'm a researcher, and whatever I share is my personal understanding and experience. I, however, can confirm that the information I share is authentic. Let's get started. What are NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, is one-of-a-kind asset that is invaluable, unique, or rare. It cannot be exchanged by any value or any item in a world of similar worth. Several things in the digital world can be used as NFT, as long as they are digital assets. For example, the very first GIF before it gets copied and sent off everywhere will be an NFT, as it will be the original piece. Similarly, different kinds of memes, videos on the internet, a tweet posted by somebody, different collectibles that exist virtually only, a new bit of music, artwork that also exists only virtually, and any in-game video game data can be considered an NFT. How do you use NFTs? NFTs do not bring in a cash flow. They are steady digital pieces sold to someone else at a specific value. You buy an NFT knowing that it is of value, and the total worth of the NFT will definitely increase soon. NFTs function by following blockchain technology. NFTs are based on the same principle as a cryptocurrency, but they exist primarily on the Ethereum cryptocurrency. When you confirm your purchase for an NFT, a unique piece of code is assigned and registered under your name. That code then represents your rights for that bit of NFT. When you purchase an NFT, you are basically taking the rights for that asset. People can still access that asset, but it will not be the original piece, and they cannot claim its ownership. Method for investing in NFTs. The first step is to go to one of the available NFT stores on the internet. Choose the NFT you want to purchase and invest in later. The biggest store where you can buy an NFT is OpenSea. It is also the first store to sell NFTs. Other examples include Rarible, Foundation, Mintable, etc. Next, do a thorough check on the owner of that NFT to make sure that it is authentic and you will not be scammed. Now create a digital wallet for yourself. This digital wallet will help you store the NFT that you are about to invest into soon. After sorting the wallet, you need to fill it up. Use your bank account or wherever your investment is. Get your wallet ready and go to the marketplace. Now click on the NFT and it should walk you through the buying process. Just like that, you have now invested in an NFT. Precautions while investing in NFTs. It is always better to stay cautious, especially when it involves your hard-earned cash. Here are a few risks that involve NFTs, how you can stay cautious of those risks and invest in NFTs. 1. The first and most common drawback is that people may scam you. It is easy to scam someone who is fresh in the field and possesses little to no knowledge of NFTs. If you spot an NFT that you like but realize that it's a little too cheap, it is ideal to proceed with caution and avoid that NFT altogether. 2. The second major issue is volatility in the NFT market. Assets merely sold for a handful of dollars a few years ago are now being sold in thousands. This is why it is better to stay cautious of such NFTs and not wager your investment on something that is not worth it. 3. The third massive risk is the degree of uncertainty. Even when you invest in your NFT knowing 100% that it is not a scam, the chances that it will be profitable to you are 50-50, if not less. Therefore, you should apply caution and invest so much that you can handle a loss. Famous people who have invested in NFTs. As the NFT market has grown stronger and attracted more people, many celebrities have also invested and heavily profited by entering the NFTs world, including Eminem, Reese Witherspoon, Serena Williams, Snoop Dogg, Travis Baker, Jimmy Fallon, Lil Baby, Amber Rose, Lindsay Lohan and Paris Hilton, Ellen DeGeneres, Shawn Mendes, Justin Bieber and Lionel Messi. It is a great time to invest in the NFT industry as new and unique opportunities are entering the market. Just make sure to be cautious with your investment and enjoy your one and only NFT in the world. I hope you liked this video. Please hit thumbs up and press the subscribe button to stay connected. Thanks for watching.